Techniblogic.com.
Hi guys, Nick here from Techniblogic.com, and today we are having another device from Mobiistar, the Mobiistar X1 Dual. So this is having some amazing features, and you can see the back panel of the device is made up of polycarbonate plastic, which is glossy finish. It is having quite good glossy finish at the back, and in the front we are getting the 2.75D curved glass. At the back we are getting a 13 megapixel camera and a flash, as you can see. And moving further to the front side, here we get a 13 plus 8 megapixel camera. One is a normal camera and another one is a wide angle camera, and in this pricing I don't think so any other brand is offering a front facing camera with flash, that to dual cameras plus wide angle lens. As you can see, this is the front facing camera, which looks quite good. And when we switch back to the back camera and I adjust the minion in front of it, as you can see the device is on face beauty mode as of now, and you can see different modes over there here, like panorama mode, HDR mode, pro mode. We can change different stuff, like we can take photos using fingerprint sensor, add grid lines, we can change the resolution to 16:9, 4:9 and different other resolution, whichever you want to use. And after that we come to the video mode. As you can see, this is the video mode, and in video mode, when we come to the setting part, we can record the video at 1080p only in HD, and after that 720p, 480p and other stuff is also available. We can also turn off or turn on the mic if you want to use. We can turn off the location if you want, and these are different settings which you can see. After coming back to the phone, in the photo we get different filters, as you can see, in different other devices also. And when we come to the front facing camera, as you can see, the front facing camera is quite good. The wide angle lens is working pretty well, and I don't think so you are going to use any kind of selfie stick with this wide angle lens. The camera quality is good. I am going to attach many camera samples and some video samples so that you can get some particular idea that how the camera exactly works. So if you have some particular question, do comment down below. I will be replying back to each and every question. So that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of this stuff, be sure to hit the like button and do comment and subscribe. You can also follow me on Twitter, and make sure to check out my other YouTube videos. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, see ya and keep rocking.